It is the most exciting thing happening in the kitchen, mga ka-nation. See, we take a Goldilocks product, we mix it with other good stuff to come up with something new and different. This is Goldilocks Magical Mashups. With me today is our mashup magician, Miss Joanne Kyle. Goldie, good day sa'yo,
Goldie,
Joanne.
good day, Lee. Mga ka-nation, welcome to another episode of the Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Oh my God, I'm excited. High five.
Ako din, high five.
You know, Joanne, the last time you really set the bar so high nung ginawa mo yung super sarap na pan de leche French toast praline. Let's see if we can top that today. And as I can see, ang ating Goldilocks product na i-mash up for today, mga ka-nation, is Mamon. Wow! I wonder, what are you gonna magically turn this Mamon into?
Let's see, Lee. How does a Goldilocks Mamon strawberry shortcake trifle sound to you?
Wow! That's all I can say. I can't wait to try that. I'm sure super magical na naman ang kalalabasan niyan, Joanne. But before we start, para sa mga ka-nation nating baka hindi sila masyadong sure kung ano ang trifle, sabihin natin sa kanila.
Okay, trifle, simple lang yan. It's the layers of sponge cake with fruits and jelly, custard and cream. It's beautiful on the table, it's fun, it's sweet, and most of all, it's delicious.
Oh my Goldie goodness, Joanne. I cannot wait to try it. Mamon strawberry shortcake
Trifle.
trifle. Social sabihin, no?
Oo.
Ready ka na?
Ready
And
na,
let
Lee.
me go ahead and say the magic words. Hocus pocus, Goldie goodness. Oh my Goldie goodness. And just like that, Joanne, you have made pure magic out of that Mamon. Super dali, pero super sarap.
Well, do I get a high five?
Oh yes, you do.
And a side hug?
And a side hug. There you go. Mga ka-nation, you have got to try this. Napaka sarap. Goldilocks Mamon, presto changeo. Goldilocks Mamon Strawberry Shortcake Trifle. Paano ba yan, Joanne?
Well,
We'll tell them that we'll see them again next time here on
Goldilocks Magical Mashups.
Goldie, good day! More bites!
ako din.